Dessert with only 2 ingredients. To start our recipe, I will start adding 80 grams of strawberry gelatin and 3 cups of water in a container, then I will stir everything very well with the help of a utensil. Best of all is that this recipe is adaptable. I'm using the taste of strawberry, but you can use what you like best. Done this, I will add 800 grams of heavy cream in a blender. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Alexander ACA from Serbia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I will add the mixture I made earlier. This recipe will surprise you. Now I will cover and beat everything very well so that all the ingredients are mixed. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home as well, once you taste it. Now I'll get a container. And then I'll transfer our mix. Tell me if you have any different dessert recipe. I would love for you to tell me. Now I will take to the fridge for 2 hours. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe, so amazing that the result is. I will put some topping on top, but this part is optional. You can put other things of your preference. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. Here I will put some honey, because it is also delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.